So there is a little social media website I made in the last video, but it is far from complete. Therefore, in this video I will be adding a comment section, because if you didn't know, there is an unwritten law that if someone writes that his favorite game is Fortnite, then you must challenge him to 1v1 immediately. And of course, a little bonus feature at the end. Let's get into it. So in the last video, I chose a name for my social media website. I made it look good, we learned about the front end and the back end, and I added a like button. If you haven't watched it, there is a link to playlist in the description. Now to the comment section. Every post has a like button and a comment button, but the comment button, unlike the like button, doesn't work. It's like trying to high-five a ghost. First, you should be able to do it, but you can't. Second, you just look crazy. And we do not want that. Let's start by adding a place to write your comment. There it is. But we don't want those text input boxes showing all the time. So let's hide them and make them appear when you click on the comment button. And now it doesn't show at all. Now I have fixed it. You can open and close a comment section for each post. So now it is done, right? I wish it would be so easy. Again, the front end and the back end concept. We have only done the front end, what you can see, but we also need to do the back end, what does all the work. You see, it looks finished, but you can't see the actual other people's comments or post your own. Now let's make an example comment to test our code. Username, the commenter.
How do you do?
Text, haha, noob, lol. Okay, now we put it on the website. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, I want to write comments too. Okay. Now you can let your inner internet troll free, but there are still some issues. First, when you share a comment, the comment section closes automatically. Second, recent comment you sent stays in the text box. Third, when you switch to another comment section, the written text stays in the box. Now it should be fixed. Oh, no. Okay, now it's fixed. Or no? Yes! The main part is done, but there is still one inconvenience. You have to click through each post to see how many comments it got, and I don't think your index fingers are prepared to handle that. So let me save you your index fingers and add a comment count. Okay, let's see. This post has no comments. Never played this game. Sad face. And no way. It actually works. Oh, the text in the input box stayed. Let's fix that. Set text to nothing. Test it again, and voila! Now you probably think that my email is full of Google, Facebook and Amazon job offers, and yeah, I wish that was the case. You would understand everything if you saw my completely readable and bug-free code, but you can't. Unless... So my relationship with GitHub is like vampire with the sun. As soon as the GitHub appears, I run away. You might say, but every programmer uses GitHub. Why don't you? Well, I have always written my code on one computer alone and did not have the need to share my code, and all my previous experiences with GitHub were frustrating. But for this video, I decided to learn GitHub once for all and break the barrier. So now you can find the link to the GitHub repository in the description below and roast my code there. And now, welcome the bonus feature, the user profile. So the user profile. The idea is to add an option to click on a user and see all its posts in one place. First, make a new page, the user page. And what on earth is this? For the love of God, please work. So now we have something, but also there is nothing. Okay, it finally works. Well, relatively. There are two big problems. First, we do not want to write a post in this page. Second, I really need to fix this design. Like, what is this? And now it's fixed. There's no posting option and also the design is fixed. Let's check on other users. Yep, it works for all. Bring the drums. It is finished once again. Now, when the site is deployed again, you can click the link in the description and write your own opinions on other people's favorite games. Yes, finally a social media site that does not have a recommendation algorithm. Well, I have bad news for you. Next video will be all about that. But now, if you do not want to miss that video, or you just enjoy this kind of content, consider subscribing. And remember, if at first you don't succeed, call it version 1.0 and move on.